Hello everyone, welcome to the Law Offices of Mary Kennedy. Today we are going to discuss about the May Visa Bulletin. It is something for few of the Indian nationalities, it's a little more of a disappointment when you compare it to the April one. I do understand. However, this is expected. The reason being the data filing is not going to be accepted for the May bulletin, and it's going to be the final action dates. When you look back in the month of May, which is the end, getting closer to the end of the fiscal year of the USCIS, it's something that is expected. The reasoning behind the data filing, as most of us know, is for the USCIS to prepare your documents related to the filing in ready so that the visa numbers will be captured. So there is definitely an expectation the spillover is going to happen. However, they don't want to take more numbers of filing on the data filing as well. And what else you could do, all that matters is you're in a very critical place till you have 2 weeks of time. If your data filing is being eligible to file your papers, you have to take every step to make sure it is filed and received by USCIS before 30th, on or before 30th. So please make sure it's all submitted. There is no excuse, and without medicals, USCIS is not going to accept the 485. So please make sure towards that. And if your final action dates are current in this period of time, definitely, we have said it enough. Please reach out to your congressman's office. That's one step just to help you out. You would have been waiting for 12 years, and especially if you have children who are aging out, this is the right time, and we have seen success on that when the congressman requests on your behalf. Definitely, it's helping you, supporting you in this process. Take every step to do that. And what can be expected in the coming months is we are not expecting any further movement. However, the September, when it comes for the new numbers on the October, you can definitely see a lot more of forward movements. Prepare yourself, anticipate what could be preparing yourself to file your 485 if you're on the closer to the 2015 dates of priority dates and everything. We also have started seeing that 485 interviews have been started scheduling in the local offices, even though the visa dates, final action dates are not current. What does that mean is like USCIS is also anticipating their final action dates to move forward. And if there is an interview that is connected with the local office, a lot more of preparation time has to be there. So they are preparing in advance to keep everything ready so that the cases can move forward. And when there is an interview notice, it's common and it's not a random. It definitely has a reasoning behind it. Prepare yourself for the interview. Along, if you have an attorney that you could be represented, very simple, wear your formal clothes for the interview. That gives an impression that you are serious about your commitment for going for the interview. Smaller things makes the difference. So all those are some of those you can be prepared for. However, this is a process and it's not randomly selected, and it's mostly about your employment and the history related to that, and all those documents also will be listed what you should be prepared for. Thank you for watching.